How to import leads to your Zoho CRM account. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Zoho CRM app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of home interface. Now, in order to import leads to your Zoho CRM account, here in this bottom right, you can see the leads option. Tap on it. You will see all the leads that you have in your account over here. In order to import the leads, you can tap on this plus icon in the bottom right. Here you can see two different options, add lead and import from address book. So if you want to import leads from any file, you can choose this import from address book option. Tap on it. Now select the contacts from where you want to import the leads. You can select multiple people, and once you are done, tap on this tick mark in the top right. Select yes. And that's it. That's how you can easily import leads to your Zoho CRM account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.